If Grok AI is showing the content moderated, try a different idea error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes. First, try rewriting your prompt. Sometimes Grok blocks certain words even when your request is safe. Use simpler and clearer wording and try again. Remove words related to violence, weapons, hacking, drugs. Avoid asking for real people to be harmed or injured. Break a long prompt into shorter prompts. If generating images, use neutral descriptions instead of graphic details. Second, open your phone settings, go to Apps, find Grok AI, tap on it, and then press Force Stop. After that, open the app again. This often fixes temporary glitches and can help Grok start working normally. Finally, if the issue continues, start a new chat and try a different version of the same prompt. In many cases, a small change in wording solves the problem. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe for more Grok AI tutorials and fixes.